Okay, we're walking out to a little bit of an overlook, a trail. Hopefully we'll actually be able to see some remnants of the dam that burst. Hopefully there's no wild animals here in the Pennsylvania backcountry. We shall see. This intrepid explorer is going to find out. I don't know if you can see down there, but down that hill, there's still some snow on the ground. After all, we're only in the third week of March. Looks like it's coming to a head here. You can see there's people exploring the park, walking their dogs. You can go all the way down to the river. And here we have the explanation. It was an earth dam. Huh. That's what it looked like. And apparently it burst. Let's zoom in on what's left. That big pile of earth. That's all that's left. You see those railroad tracks over there. Lots of coal cars. This is coal mining territory. And you can see the people on the overlook on that side. So this is where the dam was. And all this flat area over here is what used to be a reservoir or a lake. Anyway, so in between here and there was a big earthen dam, and it obviously burst. And the river, a big wave of water, 30 to 60 feet high, careened down through the river valley. 15 miles, laying destruction in its path. The Johnstown flood of 1889, May 31st. It's in the history books. I remember learning about it when I was a kid. One of the worst natural disasters on record for the United States. Probably right up until September 11th, or Katrina, and September 11th not being a natural disaster, but a man-made disaster. Well, that completes today's adventure. It's been fun, and helps answer the question, what sort of adventure awaited me in Johnstown, Pennsylvania? Maybe there's other adventure out there, I don't know. We'll see. So long for now.